Namaskar and a very good morning. Welcome to the audiocast from Kotak Securities. I'm your host and guide, Anindya Banerjee. For the economic data watchers, today and tomorrow is very interesting. What I would call as the past and the future economic indicators will be released over the span of 24 hours. What are those indicators? First, the US FOMC minutes. मतलब जो सितंबर में US Fed का meeting था, जो minutes of that meeting got recorded, that will be released today. So it's a past. Past because that's what it shows what the Fed was thinking till last meeting. It is important. Future is going to be shaped tomorrow क्योंकि कल US CPI inflation will be released and it will impact what the Fed will think tomorrow. And with that will have a significant bearing on the monetary policy in October. Therefore, this holds that 24 hours is important for the financial markets. Dollar is still strong. US bond yields are holding at the high levels. Oil prices have pulled back, which is slightly better news for the Indian rupee. 93 ke aaspaas hai oil. Not just the global recessionary fears which is playing on the oil, but also the fresh curbs in China regarding COVID, which is also hurting oil. But अगर पूरा global cues को देखा जाए, oil, bond yields, dollar index, equity markets, everything. So it looks like, and of course the emerging market currencies like the Chinese yuan. It seems like that it's going to be a mixed kind of trading session in the USDINR, or a range-bound kind of trading session in the USDINR. Kal, we suspect due to heavy intervention from the RBI, the dollar rupee pullback. In fact, the last 3 trading sessions has been suspected heavy intervention from the central bank. That's the reason why 80-60 ke upar October futures have not been able to stick. It's not that it has pulled back significantly. 80-30 ke aaspaas jaake it is getting stuck. So support agar dekha jaye to 80-30 and then 80 ke aaspaas on the October futures are the support levels. Any pullback intraday can be bought. For intraday trading, you can use futures. For positional bets, it's always advisable to use call spreads and avoid shorting options. If at all you want to sell options, then do iron fly, which is basically hedging a short straddle, ATM straddle, with a long strangle. So iron fly is advisable instead of short straddle and strangle if you're wanting to carry the positions overnight. And overnight, agar positional bet on the upside ke liye, there are 2 kinds of strategies. One is call spread if you want immediate to capture short-term price appreciation in the USDINR, or else if you want to play a more of a expiry-related trade, that's a monthly expiry-related trade, then butterfly is one option. So we think that 80-30 and 80, ye jo do support zone hai, that is going to hold out for the time being. And the big move is going to come after the US CPI release, that's tomorrow. And focus will be on the core inflation along with the headline. If the core inflation continues to rise, in spite of the fall in the headline, then dollar may move up higher. But we will talk about the CPI tomorrow in our audiocast. For today, just to keep in mind, this is the important data points to watch. इसके अलावा if we talk about the cross currency में yen is in focus because dollar yen has again surged beyond 146 and heading towards the 1998 high above 147, which means yen INR could be under pressure, and euro INR and GBP INR both are looking weak. But of course, these currency pairs are impacted by the uptrend in the USDINR, so you just cannot trade them without by ignoring the USDINR. So keep an eye on USDINR, because when USDINR moves higher, it tends to have a positive impact on these 3 currency pairs. So that's it, folks. This is Anindya Banerjee signing off. A fantastic day.